Hello and welcome to AliTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a PDF document the teacher gives you on an assignment. So let's say the teacher gives you a diagram or something in the such to fill out, and you decided that rather than working on it online on your computer and filling it out, you want to do it handwritten. So here's what you can do to print that document. It doesn't have to be necessarily a diagram, but just any worksheet if you ever wanted to jot it down handwritten rather than working on the computer, this is what you should do. So on that assignment or on that document, you want to click the three lines button or the three dots button here. This will open these three tabs. Now on this drop-down menu, what you want to click is download. This will then download it to your computer, which then from there, you're going to do as if you were printing anything else from your computer. You're going to go straight to your files, and in your downloads folder, it should be the first thing you downloaded recently. You're going to double click that to open that. When you do this, it'll then open the PDF version, but this will be more of an editable one. Depending on what software you have, you may be able to edit it like it's shown up here, so I could edit it and type and draw on it all I wanted to. But if you were still in the mindset of printing it, there's a print button right here. You're gonna click that. That'll then pull up the print review. From here is what you would do for any basic printing from your computer. You're gonna find your printer. You're going to choose how it's printed, what color, if it's black and white. I would suggest doing black and white depending on what type of handout it is. Otherwise, it's just like for pages, this is just basic printing stuff. For pages, you were printing all pages. If you were printing select pages, stuff like that. Other than that, you're just going to hit the print button, and it's automatically going to send it right to your, or the nearest printer, or whatever printer you selected, and you're all set from there. Let me just get back to the main page. So that concludes this video. Check out my channel for other how-to videos that can assist you with remote learning, and feel free to comment down below with any recommendations for future videos, or if you just have any specific tasks you would like a tutorial on. Thanks for watching!